Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to track your Star Seller progress on Etsy in 2026. Do you want to earn the Star Seller badge on Etsy? In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to track your progress and understand the metrics you need to qualify. Now, before we start, in order to set up your shop on Etsy platform, you're just going to go to the Etsy.com website and make sure you sign into your account. Then you're going to click on your profile icon and you're going to see an option here that says Become a Seller. You're going to click on it and then you're going to be directed to this shop or this section right here where you're going to enter the information about your shop, such as shop preferences, shop name, your payment method, your billing infos, etc. Once you finish setting up your shop, you're going to be able to access your shop and sell there. Now, once you log in and open the shop manager, you're going to go to the Star Seller dashboard. You're going to click on the Star Seller dashboard. Then you're going to review your metrics. You're going to see three main categories: message response rates, on-time shipping, tracking, and 5-star reviews. Now, you're going to each section shows your percentages and whether you meet the requirements. Also, you're going to check the review period. Now, Etsy calculates Star Seller performance over a rolling evaluation period. So check the date range displayed. And why is this matter? The Star Seller badge increase buyer trust and it can improve converse rates. So focus on consistency. One bad week won't ruin everything, but habits matter. And that's how you track your Star Seller progress and stay on top of your shop performance. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.